It's December 31st. This is the household submersible. Uh, it stopped working several weeks ago, and I had to bring it out yesterday because I needed to fix it, or at least find out what's wrong with it. So we took it out and diagnosed the failure mode. This submersible is called a screw type submersible. The pump is screw. So when this thing is turning, it squeezes water, and it squeezes water out by turning, and then this is the outlet. So so the failure mode is this. It's a rubber type. It has a particular petroleum smell, which when the water is squishing through it, it enhances the water quality, meaning that it makes a smell to the water, which you wouldn't like. I don't like it. That's the first thing I noticed when I was using it. I said to myself, there's a smell to the water. And so over time, I mean, initially when the pump was installed, it worked great. Then as the weeks passes through usage, then eventually the rubber and metal friction, of course, it just wears out the rubber, and it no longer works properly. So and eventually it just fails. It overheats the pump because it's on and on, running on with zero return. So this Submersible is about 6,000 peso delivered to Roxas from Lazada. So as a lessons learned, don't use this type of screw submersible for your household. Use the one that uses disc. It's centrifugal submersible. The more disc, the better, but then it adds cost. So just to let everybody know, don't use this kind, because eventually, several months later, we use a lot of water here, and eventually they fail, and it just don't go the direction I went. I spent money on this because it was inexpensive, and I thought it would be worth the use. It didn't even last. Let's see here. September, October. It didn't even last 3 months. We constantly use it, so I'm sure if it wasn't constantly used, it would last maybe a year, but it didn't.